In this video, we will explain how to successfully implement an online open innovation marketplace at university level in order to establish an easy and fast way to bridge the gap to the society and the industry. So, to get started, we need to know what exactly is an open innovation marketplace. Well, many great innovations and research outputs are constantly coming out from universities, technology-based companies, or the scientific community all around the globe. Unfortunately, many of these innovations do not find their way to the society, and lots of resources need to be allocated in order to search for partners to transfer and exploit those innovations. Furthermore, most of the times technology promotion from the university side is conducted offline, while many companies and RTOs are already making use of the internet and digital platforms to develop new open innovation processes, to innovate faster, and to engage with new external technology organizations more efficiently. Then, we can define an open innovation marketplace, in short OIMP, as a unique scheme to provide direct connections between a university's researchers and external stakeholders, while improving the process of knowledge transfer into the market, making research output much more available and providing the university's researchers with an easy access to research funding opportunities and collaborative innovation projects from the industry. Once the tool is implemented, professionals joining the platform will find unique online collaboration opportunities by sharing their research capabilities and research needs. The university will efficiently transfer the knowledge from science to society, and it will allow members to find the right innovation partner in the blink of an eye. But we have to correctly implement the tool to make sure this happens, right? So, how to do it? Well, to do so, the university will come across with three main steps to be followed in order to correctly implement the OIMP, starting with the selection of the platform, then setting it up, and finally releasing it to the public. Following, we will explain each of these steps. To implement the tool, the university first has to conduct a market research to identify potential platform providers. Actors to conduct the research may be the technology transfer managers, as they will be directly involved in the transfer process. Market research can be conducted either searching on web browsers or looking for suggestions on software recommenders, looking for business cases, best practices, etc. The university should schedule a demo with the platform provider and ask for a service proposal in order to evaluate it afterwards. Between 1 and 2 months later, the market research starts. The university should have collected enough proposals to evaluate and select the right platform provider to implement the marketplace, taking into account 4 key factors. The first one, the user experience of the platform to make sure users will be able to easily navigate within it. Second one, the level of customization, so the platform could be adapted to the corporate look and feel. The third one, the technology availability, whether it's cloud or desktop based. And the fourth one, and the level of technology transfer orientation. Now, as soon as the provider is selected, we will face the setup stage. We will start with the draft of the design of the Open Innovation Marketplace in order to adapt the look and feel to the corporate design. At the same time, with the support of the IT department and the platform provider, the university will have to set up the platform according to the university's needs, customize any preferences, if necessary, and select a platform administrator and train them to manage the tool. Timeframe for this step ranges from 1 to 2 months. At this point, there are 3 key points we must fulfill. The first one, make sure that the tool is running smoothly in order to avoid bugs that might cause dissatisfaction of new users. For instance, check different browsers and operating systems. The second one, give new users an idea of what is waiting for them inside the tool by showing some catching technology calls and technology offers at the starting page, as well as the visible call to action to optimize conversion. Third one, make it easy for the users to sign up. Avoid long forms and adjust the details required so the user signs up. Once the platform is customized and set up, it's time to launch the tool and invite research groups, individual researchers, and external industry partners to join the marketplace and interact online. To do so, we first have to agree on how to invite them and formulate an invitation text to be sent to their inbox. It's highly recommended to organize a workshop to present the features and capabilities of the Open Innovation Marketplace to our users. This way, we will make sure they know how to navigate and engage with content published on it. We will also have to provide continuous support to our members in order to help those who have difficulties using the platform. In order to provide them help, we can use communication tools like Skype, Webex, or via email. The release phase may take between 1 and 2 months, and it is expected to involve the marketplace manager, research groups, science managers and innovation managers, as well as the IT team. When reaching this stage, there are 3 more key points to consider. The first one, write the text of the invitation messages in the language spoken at your university in order to avoid that people mistake it for a spam email. The second one, keep the invitation message short and simple. The third one, try to adopt an existing community in order to have the critical mass of users right from the very beginning. So far, we have seen why and how to implement an open innovation marketplace at university level, figuring out timeframes, challenges we will face while implementing it, as well as tips to resolve those. As a general recommendation, we have to keep in mind that, as any other network, the OIMP is bolstered by the number of members engaging with it. In this way, we are required to motivate both internal and external users to join the platform, educate them on how to set up their accounts, how and why to post technology offers and technology calls, and how to reply to those publications in order to make the most of their time in the platform. Write invitation messages in the language spoken at your university in order to avoid that people mistake it for spam emails. Keep the invitation message short and simple, since many people will most likely not read the full page text. And last but not least, try to adopt an existing community in order to have the critical mass of users right from the very beginning. As soon as we achieve a certain level of activity within the marketplace, all we have to do is to periodically evaluate user satisfaction and adapt the platform so it matches with user requirements. At this stage, we will be running an open innovation marketplace that will let us transfer both knowledge and technology in a more efficient and easier way, bridging the gap between our university and society, and connecting our organization with research, innovation, and funding opportunities all around the globe.